What's up, everybody, and good morning, Vietnam. I'm actually here outside of my residential complex area or whatever, and I'm shooting a video today to show you guys like a little tour of the apartment. Like I said, I just moved here about a day ago, and I'm not gonna lie, for a single guy with no wife, no kids, no girlfriend, etc., it's pretty cool. I like it. I think it's like perfect for me, and I will definitely enjoy my stay. So like I said, I will give you guys an apartment tour. I will let you know what you can expect to pay, your monthly bills or whatever, what you can pay for your monthly stays or a long term or whatever. Also, I will give you guys, I guess, the perks of staying here. This is kind of like a service type of apartment, so they do like, I guess, special things for you, which you can actually do yourself. But I don't know, for people that really want the luxury of relaxation or whatever, it kind of, eliminates all those other things. So I guess you have more time for yourself or focusing on your passion projects or whatever. But yeah, so without any further ado, let's go ahead and check out the outside of the apartment. All right, everybody, so I'm out here just kind of walking around right outside of the area. These right here are the little apartments. I guess there's also, from what I was told, there's like tiers, I guess. On the first floor, it's more so, I guess, a single room, like a studio. It's pretty small, and I guess like hotel-like. Then on the second floor, you got the duplex, your upstairs and downstairs or whatnot. Yep, here's the entrance area right here. And I guess on the seventh floor, it's more kind of like a deluxe studio type of thing. And right here is the pool. Fortunately, the cool thing about the pool is that it is open 24/7. I mean, if you're not making too much noise at night, you can actually go over here and, hang out in the pool, relax or whatever. And let's see where we're going now. I'll show you guys that on the first floor, the base floor, we have this place right here. This is a restaurant. I mean, the food is actually amazing. I've ate there like twice yesterday, and both times had Indian curry. They have 2 Indian chefs. So yeah, the food was bussing. And yeah, so what we're going to do now is we're going to meet our friend over here, get some breakfast, and then I will show you guys my room. Since it's breakfast time, I could have got like the congee, but I actually wanted the omelet. I'll show you guys some more food options over here. The curry, oh my God, it was so good. So yesterday, I kind of went for like the whole double curry thing. I had the tikka masala, and then for dinner, I had the Indian butter curry, both with the naan. I met actually a French girl last night who said I absolutely had to try the grilled chicken pasta with the Alfredo sauce. So here it is right here, a simple little breakfast. Got myself an omelet right here, some samosas, mango juice, and I'm not sure what the green stuff is, but I know that's ketchup. So let's go ahead and try this out. I don't know what this green stuff is, but we'll put a little bit on it. Let's see how it goes. Amazing omelet. Amazing. Oh, they got a little kick to it. A little kick to it. Okay, guys, so I just finished off my breakfast. I'm about to head down to my room. And over here, we have like a small gym. I mean, it's nothing really too special, but yeah, place to exercise. Got the little Indoor market over here for some food. Let's see. It's kind of strange they got a Christmas tree up already. It's kind of early, but it is what it is. But yeah, let's go ahead and catch that elevator and head on over to the room. Open sesame. Nothing special over here. All right. Here we go, baby. Gotta take the kicks off. No shoes in the house. All right, so here we go. I want you guys to check it out. So yeah, here it is right here. This is, you know, I guess the living room over here. I'm gonna have to get some carpets and stuff and put some things up on the wall and stuff to make it a little more, I guess, to make it feel a little more like a house. But like I said, I just moved in yesterday, so there's gonna be a few things done. But yeah, so here's the living room right here. You know, it comes with the TV. Actually, let me put it back regular. Yeah, so here's the TV. Here's your kitchen over here. And actually, I believe this came with some, yeah, it has a microwave right here. And it comes with some dishes, pots, pans, silverware. So that's pretty cool. Let's see what else we got here. All right, so let's go upstairs and put it back on a wide angle. All right. And I'll show you guys my room. Like I said, it's nothing like too special, but for a single guy like me, this is more than enough space, more than enough room. So, you know, like I said, I'll take advantage of that. So yeah, so here I have my bed. You know, I slept in it last night and actually didn't really get too much of a good sleep because of all the noise last night due to the, what is it, the Vietnamese Independence Day or whatever. Forgive the windows. The outside of them are kind of dirty, but yeah, here's my little view right here. Once again, the bedroom, and got my little closet right here. All right, and then we have the bathroom. Let's check it out. Like I said, for one guy, this is, you know, this is more than enough. You got your stall, all that. Like I said, I need to buy a few things, you know, to make it feel more like a home. But other than that, I'm satisfied with it. So let's go back downstairs and I will tell you guys what you can expect to pay and what are just the little perks that come with staying in a particular place like this. So let's go. All right, so I guess let's talk about the most important part and what people might want to know what you would pay for a place like this. So to move in, you have to pay the first month's deposit and the first month's rent, which is 8.5 million Vietnamese dong, which is about $362. So to stay in this place, it would cost you $362 a month, which, like I said, is definitely not bad at all. Let's take it back a little bit. When I was staying in China for my apartment, I wouldn't say it was roughly about the same size, maybe a little bit smaller, and I didn't have it upstairs. I had to pay about, let me see, almost $2,000. Yeah, about $2,000. So, and over here is 362 bucks.
Okay, and like I said, that's not a bad deal at all. For the fact that they have people here that will do your laundry and clean your room. Like I said, this is the perks of staying in a service apartment. So every Thursday here, there is a lady, there's one assigned to each floor. She will come around and she will collect your clothes and they will go wash it and then return it back to you, okay? Also, like I said, you got a free pool, you got a free gym, you got a convenience store right downstairs, you have a restaurant downstairs as well, so everything is at your grasp. You know, the conveniency, this is kind of why I've miss living in Asia in general, is because the conveniency of life. That's I guess maybe when you get older, that's a luxury for me. That's a luxury that I learned to appreciate, is the convenience of things. So yeah, they do your laundry, parking and all that. If you want to buy a motorbike, like I said, it's all here. It's all for free. The electricity is close to nothing. I actually forgot what they told me. I think they said it's like 4,000 Vietnamese dong or something like that per kilowatt. So I mean, honestly, you can keep your air conditioner on all day, and at the end of the month, you maybe pay like an extra, I don't know, maybe 1 million or 2 million Vietnamese dong, which is, like I said, it's pretty much nothing at all. So you can, if you're a homebody, you like to stay at home, and you know you want to run the AC. I mean, I do recommend getting a fan. That would actually help you more if you are conservative about, you know, the electricity bills or whatever. But yeah, you can get a fan and just chill. But yeah, like I said, guys, this is the perks of it. You know, 360 $360 a month. They do your laundry, they clean your room, you have the gym, you have the pool. Actually, you have 2 pools. I'm actually gonna check out the other one later. Didn't put it in this video, but anyway, whatever. But yeah, everything is right here. And then down the street, you got the mall. Now, let me be honest with you, things at the mall are a little pricey. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this small little tour of the apartment. Like I said, it's nothing too crazy. For one person, it's awesome. You know, I guess my plan is to maybe get a little bit of plants and put them all through the house, get a little rug or a carpet, put one downstairs and then one in my room. You know, just make it feel like a home. You know, maybe invite some of my friends over, cook some dinner and things like that. But yeah, anyways, you guys take care, and I will see you all in the next video. By the way, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Thank you.